Hello, good day, creative mind. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Faith of Fast to Design Empire, and today we'll be making a hand glove. And the materials needed will be your paper for your pattern, your pen or pencil, your scissors, and you'll be needing two scissors for the fabric and for your paper. Then your tape measure or tape rule, as some people calls it. Your eraser, just in case of any mistake, you erase it off. Then pins to secure your fabric or your paper on the fabric before you cut. Then your fabric. So let's move on and have fun. In order for us to get the pattern to use in creating this, I will have to spread my fingers and trace out one after the other. Then the length you want, you extend it to the point at which you want your glove to stop for the grip. So let's try it out. Finish up the tracing. So I'll be adding quarter of an inch because I don't need so much. Round it. You can use your tape to actually do that. You can see it. Actually know what I'm doing. So I just, but if you're actually new in this, you can use your tape to follow it up. Watch it closely here. So there we go. Done tracing. So at this point, for my hem, I need to create probably like half an inch because you'll be folding back to hem this part. So you could do twice. So meaning that you are going to be having 1 inch if you are doing twice. And we'll cut the after line. And this is our pattern. You see, so the next step is to get your fabric. During hemming, this is what happens. This is the part you fold to hem. So now the fabric, this is the front and this is inside. I'm actually using scuba fabric, the light one. It stretches. It's perfect for this glove. So I'll fold in two. Now place and pin so that it won't shift. Pin gently. So now we are done pinning. So remove the pins. And voila. So this is for hemming. This line for hemming. So this is what for you to sew. You don't necessarily have to cut this, but when you have a bigger fabric, you can trim off. You can just trim a bit, but with this you can just sew. So you pin to make it easier. You can do your pattern plain without an allowance, then add it while you trace on your fabric, because if you do that, you have to retrace out the inner line for sewing. But when you use the pattern without this allowance, you trace the exact thing on it and then add your allowances. So now at this point I will have to trace out the inner part. Here we are. So I will just trim just a little. So this, let's assume, because now at this point in time you can take it to your sewing machine and you sew. You follow this inner line, very easy. Start from here at this upper part, start here, sew all through the fingers.
All right.
To
Now
this
we are done
point, back to
stitching.
the other side
So
of
at
it.
this point, we try to trim off all the excess, and on those angles, we also notch it very well, and be careful while you notch so that you won't cut through your threads. The reason why you have to notch is because when you turn out, it will give you a flat and smooth effect. It won't be bulgy when you turn it. It will be relaxed. And then once you do this, you will turn it out carefully. You don't rush. You don't rush it. Do it one finger at a time in order for it to come out well. If not, thank you for watching. And please, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any question, try to leave it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. And share with your friends. Also, click on the notification bell so that whenever we have any new stuff, you will get notified. Thank you. Love you guys.